There's certain things in life that just don't make sense to me. This happens to be one of them. We are not painting either front fender. We're painting part of a bedside back here. The other side, not painting the bedside, but painting the doors and not painting the fender. We're gonna see how this turns out. Whether I understand this or not, I get paid the same. So I go to blow this truck off. No air is coming out. Everything's on, including this truck on the air hose. She's red. I will not be here tomorrow when they untape it. I would really like to see how good this color matches compared to the old paint, but maybe it'll be here next time I'm here and I can take a picture and see. Till next time.